Hey guys, Captain Keith here, MarineMax in Clearwater. Today is just going to kind of be a little review. I know we've talked about some of this stuff before, but it's just kind of common sense, but it needs to be reiterated. So if you're out on the boat at night, you need to have your navigation lights on. Very important. So on this whaler here, so you've got nav and anchor on this switch. It's a dual position switch. Some of your boats might have navigation light switch. It may have an anchor light switch and what have you. But this particular one, if we push it all the way forward, that's going to be my port and starboard bow lights and my stern light. Okay, so it's a combined deal. If I come back one click, you kind of got the little slash there and then anchor. If we come back one, that's strictly going to be my anchor light now by itself, which is going to be the white 360 degree visible light. So if you're out on the water at nighttime and you look out on the horizon and you see a white light, it's all you can see. One of two things is happening. That boat is anchored sitting out there, or it's driving away from you because you can't see the forward-facing port and starboard bow lights, the red and green. So the white light's not going to be, if you're running, you see a white light by itself, it's no threat to you. You don't have to really pay attention to it other than, of course, not drive to it and hit it. Have your lights on, just kind of like in your car. Nighttime, rain, low visibility, fog, that type of stuff, you need to have your lights on. You need to be careful about what interior lights you have on as well when you're running. The glare and it can blind you in here. So I've got map lights in this boat. If I push this forward, you can see I got this bright white light here. I'm not going to be able to see anything up in front of me. So if I have to look at something or deal with anything inside the helm here, I can flip this down and you're going to get this red light, which doesn't affect your vision to being able to see out and pay attention to what's going on out there. Light bars now are a very popular thing. They're great. I mean, they'll light it up like daylight. Just do not run with those light bars on. They will 100% blind somebody up in front of you. You cause an accident or them to crash or something bad. So light bar, you're pulling up to your dock and you want to light up your lift, or if you got to glance at it, like pop a channel marker or something like that, you can just do that with those light bars. A handheld spotlight, a lot of these boats have fixed mount spotlights as well. This one does. But even with a spotlight, you're not going to run with it on all the time. It's just to kind of verify that the marker's up ahead of you where you think it is, turn it off and keep on running. So keep it dim, keep it dark inside the boat. Make sure you turn on your proper navigation lights, whether you're running or you're anchored, and just keep it dark inside of here and be safe out there. Go slow, take it easy. There's a lot of other things out there on the water now too that are on your boat that you can put in there, whether it's FLIR, thermal vision, use radar. There's a bunch of tools for situational awareness that are available to us now. So take a look at all that. It's well worth it. So see you guys out on the water.